Yeah, all of a sudden you have a bad starter. Welcome back to the channel, Sagitnet 2. Say hello to everyone, Jer.
Hi guys.
We have just put on Jer's, what brand is this?
It's a carrot top tuning top harness.
Okay.
Sub harness.
It's a carrot top tuck engine harness with a sub harness. What we did is we just laid the sub harness along the firewall. It's a lot of work getting it through there, but I think he could do that himself.
Yes.
I actually have him remove the old one and put on all the connectors. Yeah, I was just kind of advising him on what to do on some items, but I was not going to make a video out of this, not until we run into some problem that earlier all of a sudden the starter would not crank. That's kind of weird, man. So I thought about maybe it's a good idea to at least show you guys. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully the RPM will get fixed. On the starter side, he kind of tried to remove the positive terminal on the starter. You will see it later on. I'm gonna show you what happened. But at the end, he just told me that right after we have figured it out, that we decided to open the starter, and he told me that he did tinker. What did you do on that?
I'm trying to take it out because I thought it's part of the harness that we're going to replace. So
Okay.
when I'm removing it, the cable like, trying to like going direction.
It moved.
Yeah, it moves.
It moved in an angle.
Yeah.
If you are thinking about installing one of these, and if you happen to work on the starter or anything like that, and all of a sudden you find yourself that the starter will not crank, and that is the one to shoot for. This is the reason why I wanted to make a short video out of this. So lesson learned from you and me. We managed somehow to figure out that it's got to be the starter. You're gonna see it using our phone and everything, so it will be not in 16:9 or something. I don't know what kind of format is the one on the cell phone. It's like a short video or something.
Yes, yeah.
See how it goes. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully the RPM will get fixed. Now that's a problem.
Maybe this one kaya. It's not connected.
No, that's just the AFO. I will look into it, see why it won't crank. Yeah, all of a sudden you have a bad starter. Alright, fire in a hole. See? The starter.
You starter kaya? Oh, that's the starter then. Sheesh.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. It should start on its own though. We're not getting any CEL though, so I mean we could give it a try.
So it's not the wiring then. Okay.
Well, it's the starter.
Starter, huh?
Yeah. Put on the ignition too.
Ignition. The accelerator. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let's see.
And I'm gonna crank it.
Alright. RPM works, kuya. Yeah. No, and check engine lights. No check engine light. Nothing. Weird. So that's the starter then, kaya? The starter problem.
Let's try cranking it without the ignition. It's more like we're checking the compression check.
Yes, ano kaya? Okay.
We'll see how it goes. It should crank, right?
Yes, kaya.
Oh boy. Try it. Yeah, there's voltage here. Look. Hold on. Let me set the Okay, go ahead, try it. Try it again. Oh, I wonder. All right, turn it off.
So this is what we found while removing the cover for the starter. If you're gonna see this side,
This one is in an angle.
it's in an angle. Compared to the other side, it's flat.
See the difference?
Yeah, so this
Okay.
is, it's an angle.
Pointing up.
Yes.
This is flat. So I think this is our problem.
The starter.
Okay. All right. So our fix is we're just gonna turn the thing around.
Okay, okay.
So hopefully that will fix it. So I need a.
So this one is, the red one is kuya, the
Well, it's
spark.
making a contact on this. It generates electricity, a magnet,
Magnet.
electromagnet,
Oh, okay.
and then this will pull it,
It's like solenoid. Okay.
and that will keep the spline to
Okay.
go out
Out.
and then back.
Back. Okay.
Once you disconnect the voltage, turn up the power, there's no more electromagnet,
Okay.
and it comes out.
I see.
All right.
I see.
He's having a lot of engine problem on this one, actually. To name one, it's all right. All right.
Yeah.
All right. To name one is the
RPM. RPM. Then also the fuel pressure regulator.
yeah, all kinds of things, huh? Well, anyway, his number one issue is he wants to fix the
The
RPM.
RPM. Yes. Because when
So now it works. This is a 99 Civic. So since it's a new harness, it has its own wire coming out from here that it runs all the way through there. So which is perfect, man. Now it's got RPM tach meter, so which is good. He's got two choices on this motor. He's got this one, and he's got the one by the air intakes. Now let me ask you guys, which one you think will be best for him to connect that IAT sensor, there or here? Of course, we have to change the connector. Leave a comment. That would be interesting to see, huh? Right? Because he's thinking about getting this motor, sending it to what?
I'm about to bring this car for the final tune to Import Auto Pros.
He also upgraded his damper. That's an ATI. Yeah, this one is not bad installing this one. All it needed really is just a little tap, not like mine. His damper, it comes in one piece. Everything is all bolted together, unlike mine where it's separated.
The difference between the one that we have before, like the aluminum one,
Yeah.
it's bad because I feel like vibration every time like I do like high RPM.
Okay. Do you still have those? Is it in here or
Oh,
no?
yes, I do have.
I know some of you guys never have any problem using those, but it's better to use something that will really like counterbalance the out of balance, anything that is out of balance in the rotating assembly. But this is what he was using. I told him before, it's better to replace this.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
It's not balanced. It's for racing.
it's for racing purposes. Yeah. All right. Well, it turned out to be great. Everything is good, and for some that curious of how the sub harness will work, this is part of the sub harness right here, and this one right here. So it's just a plug and play, and the 3 connectors. This episode is about awareness. Make sure that if someone helping you, that he, it's a lesson learned from us. Okay, it sure is something that I was scratching my head that all of a sudden the starter is broken. You know, like on and off, on and off. It's just kind of weird. It's just really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys will like this episode. You know the deal. See you guys
Please like and
next.
subscribe.
All right. Bye everyone.